Hello everyone, welcome to Trade for Profits channel. Today is a very interesting day for Bank Nifty and Nifty, and let's see what is waiting for tomorrow. But as expected, we were clearly telling yesterday that today there should be a recovery for Bank Nifty and Nifty because the global market also had shown a recovery and SGX was positive. So we were expecting Bank Nifty should be bullish for today. But more unexpectedly, it was not only bullish, it was a gap up. So that was a very good gap up with Bank Nifty. It is a good sign what was happening for last 1 week and the downside, but it's a very good recovery from Bank Nifty side. Okay, so let's see what has happened more clearly. So it has opened up above this line. I've given these two lines. If you see my prediction on 22nd, I've given 2 points, 34,625 and 34,480. These were two pivots, and anything about 34,625, I said we should see it as bullish. But today market opened above 34,625 straight away with a gap up. Okay, so the market moved above this yellow line, gap up, and we expected to touch 35,095. This is a very important price gap which is expected to touch, but it did not touch. So it went till 34,996, very close to 35,000, and start reversing down. This could be maybe it's due to the expiry day, so just to eat up the premium, both sellers and buyers took a toll on the price here. Otherwise it is expected to reach here. I expected to reach to 35,000 and go flat over at 35,000 range, but it went very close to 34 till 34,996, and then it has come down. Another important point what we have to clearly notice, I given two pivots, 34,625 and these two yellow lines. If you can see, the price has entered this two price range, tested it, and it has moved above this. Okay, so for me this is a very positive sign for Bank Nifty. If this price gap would not have been tested, I might have told Bank Nifty is in bearish zone still. But since it has tested this price gap and it has also recovered upside, what I am saying is tomorrow Bank Nifty should go little gap up and it should show some more green side for tomorrow. But I have given larger targets for entry. So the current price is 677, 34,677, but the resistance I have given, the first resistance was 34,794, 34,800, in fact 34,800. so anything, if the Bank Nifty crosses 34,800, then only you should enter into CE buy position. And at the downside, I have given the previous low, that is 34,560, 34,550. Okay, so 34,550. Anything that goes below 34,550, then only you need to take a PE buy position. This is almost 100 points up from the current price. 100 points up, 800, and 100 points down. The reason is because tomorrow is Friday. All the price will be at the higher side. Bank Nifty can go flat between the ranges, and it could eat up your price as well. That is why I don't want you guys to do an early entry for tomorrow. Wait till a clear trend is confirmed. Okay, so have it as 34,800 above should be a buy, and 34,550 below should be your downside. And the downside targets, I don't expect Bank Nifty to go below 34,500. Maybe it comes to 34,500, touches here, and then goes up. Okay, I will come to Nifty. Nifty is little bit different how the price action performed so it is little bit different. That is why there are some points which I am not able to tell very confidently, because they have done little bit opposite trend today. So to keep it simple, for Bank Nifty, you take anything below 35,550 to be a bearish side, or otherwise you should be at the bullish side, but the entry for tomorrow should be above 34,800. So the targets will be 35,095 definitely. If it breaks this 35,126, maybe 35,330. 35,330 I have not marked here, but I have marked in my slide. In past this was also an important point. Maybe price spend some time around 35,300. 35,500, and finally this is still intact, 35,770. I have been telling for last 3 to 4 days, when even the Bank Nifty was below bearish side. So this 35,770 is a price which I am expecting the Bank Nifty to come and test this price. So if I am bullish, I am bullish till 35,770 till this price is being tested. Okay, which I am expecting. So if it touches 35,095, do some profit booking, because it may go flat over here. Then wait for again the price to cross above 35,125. Then have your next target as 35,300 and 35,500. Once this 35,500 crosses, then definitely it is 270 points upside. 35,770 is the next settlement for Bank Nifty. Let me show you quickly the slide as well. So you can pause the video and note it down. So for option buyers, what I've told, have only limited or no trading for tomorrow, as premiums will be high on Friday and price decay usually happens running flat for most of the time. And my view is inclined to upward movement. The reason is the price lines marked is tested successfully. So this area has been tested successfully and it is still above. So if the price crosses 34,800, enter CE buy for the targets, these targets. And I don't see a big movement will happen for tomorrow. Maybe price reaches 35,095 and flat over there. This is because tomorrow is the first day of the next expiry. Okay, so anything below 34,560, you can have it as a bearish side. So which I least expect tomorrow. But Nifty is in a confusing state. That is why if the price drops below at 34,560, wait whether it is breaking down or breaking up. Okay. Okay, thank you for Bank Nifty. Now let's see. Let's go to Nifty quickly. Okay, so if you see Nifty, these are the two pivots I given, 15,655 and 15,630, 15,640. Let me take you the previous slide. Okay. If you can note here, these are the two things, 15,655 and 15,640. Anything above 15,655, I was suggesting to go for a buy side. Anything above, below 640, I suggested to come to a bearish side. But today market opened gap up very well above 15,655. Okay, but these were the two important points as a pivot I noted in yesterday's view. So let's come back here, 15,655. So 15,655 is here. Market has opened a gap up here. So this point is a very important point which Nifty did not touch. So it is a very big gap up, and naturally we are inclined to believe that Nifty should go upside from here. Okay, that is fine. So maybe it is also more testing at upside for tomorrow, trying for 15,920. 15,920 is the next target where Nifty has to settle down. But remember, this price 15,655 is not tested. So this is the confusing thing what I was mentioning during Bank Nifty. For Bank Nifty, this price was tested successfully today, but for Nifty it did not test. So this is compelling me to have a little bit caution on Nifty. It could break this point 15,770 and it could come and touch this 15,655. So I have kept 15,655 as a support, new support. Okay, so in this case what we'll have to do for Nifty for tomorrow is So anything above 15,810. So already the price is above 15,810, 15,824. So if the Nifty sustains above 15,810, you should have a bullish view reaching 5920. But since tomorrow is Friday, this can anyway run flat over here. Okay, because at this 15,655, I'm insisting as an important price point. Maybe it runs flat over here and it drops down and breaks 15,770. If it breaks 15,770, take PE buy side. Definitely, I'm expecting this to touch 15,655. If it touches 15,655, I'm expecting Nifty to take the bullish trend towards 15,920. If it does not, 15,770, if it does not break 15,770 below, have a bullish view only for Nifty. But be very careful for tomorrow's trading. It can run flat over here, eating up the premium and price. So I suggest to do a very cautious entry, a very limited entry, limited trading for tomorrow for retail buyers. So the past 2 days, the same thing, I have written it down. So this is the view for Nifty and Bank Nifty, guys, for tomorrow. So all the best traders for tomorrow, and keep in touch and front page during the market hours. Thank you.